Now we will see about the while loop. So while loop is like while this condition is true, the loop will block of statement will get executed. The time when this condition gets false, it will come out of this loop and continue the remaining execution. This is how the while loop works. Syntax of the while loop is that while we will be having conditional expression. If this expression is true, this block of code will get executed until this condition gets false. Once this condition is false, it will start executing this remaining code. Let's understand how this while loop is get work by some simple examples. We can use this while loop to print numbers from 1 to 10. Let's see how we can do. So I'll define n is equals to 1. Then we will be having this condition while n is less than 11, print n. If I run this code, we will see. Oh, okay. We need to do one more thing here, that we need to increment value of n. If you see here, I have put while n is less than 11, we are going to print n, but we are not incrementing value of n, so n will be always 1 in this code, and it will make this code to run in infinite mode. So here all we need to do is use n. Okay. Okay, so we are using this n plus equals 1. This will actually replace n is equal to n plus 1, and this way we will be increasing n by 1 by 1. So let's run this code. You can see it's now printing 1 to 10. When my n plus 1 becomes 11, now this condition will be false, so it will come out of this loop, and if we have some remaining code, it will print those.